Hello, students. This is CA Pragnesh Kanabar over here, your audit faculty. Now, I'll quickly come to the point. So, what I noticed in November 23 papers, for the students who did not clear, because every day I was going through lots of, sessions for certified copies and stuff, and I've evaluated around more than 100 copies, where students were discussing with me. I saw their papers and I realized that there is a big lack of writing practice. Okay, so student is able to understand, okay, this is the question broadly, this is how it needs to be done. But there is a big lack of writing practice, and that is where students are losing out on some really, really good marks. I mean, it really hurts that when students lose out, for example, in final CA, when students lose out marks in a topic like professional ethics, or in inter CA, when they lose out the marks in very easy discussions of CARO or Companies Act and stuff. It is disappointing. And I thought that let me try something revolutionary this time. Let me work out with the students. Okay. And that is the reason, in order to ensure that you stay motivated and you stay on track so that we clear the exams in May 24. I'm coming out with a free test series, pan India level. All right. For CA final and CA inter, and it is going to be conducted in a very professional manner. Okay. So, how we are planning to conduct this particular test series. So first of all, it is CA final. We have around 6 unit tests and 1 prelim. And for CA inter, because the number of chapters are less, so we have 5 unit tests and 1 prelim over there. Okay. And this is how we are planning to conduct it. I've given the timetable. I've given the chapters that we're expecting and that we are going to put up. So you have a clear idea that these are the tests that you're going to write. Whether you are in your first reading, second reading, or whatever it is, I think it is going to help everyone. This video is in 100% English so that my dear South India students can also understand what I'm trying to say. So this is the whole schedule. All right. Unit test will be of 30 marks. Prelims will be of 100 marks. Papers are being set by me personally. Few of my past students are helping me out in this, and I am reviewing the papers personally. So don't worry about it. Okay. Now, I expect you to write the papers in front of my eyes. All right. Okay. And that is the reason that I have given this particular schedule. Now, what we are planning is that we will give you the time slots. Those time slots we will announce at a later stage on our Telegram channel. Link and everything is there in the description of the video. So you can join the Telegram channel. And in those time slots, one of my team member will come live, and you can switch on the camera on Zoom and write the papers from your home. All right. If you are in Mumbai, then we are also planning that if you want to come for a face-to-face test series, all right, you can also come for face-to-face test series. We have around 80 seats in Mumbai, so you will have to book it in advance. Everything is for free. Don't worry about it. All right. But in Mumbai, obviously, we will give first priority to the students who have enrolled with us. All right. Because at least some premium feeling needs to be given to them, right? All right. But or pan India level, everyone can join through Zoom and write from your home, and we will monitor you when you are writing the papers. All right. So this is how we are planning it. Now, obviously, there are two basic questions that you have. All little bit of logistics and stuff, those details, timetable, I mean, the timing, exact timings and stuff, we'll give it in the Telegram group. So please stay with us on the Telegram group. But two basic questions to address. One question is how to access the papers. The first thing is that you please join these Telegram groups, as you can see over here. Papers will be uploaded exclusively on our mobile app. I repeat, papers will be uploaded exclusively on our mobile app. You can download the app, The Audit Academy, from Play Store, or you can also download it from App Store. It is The Audit Academy by CA Pragnesh Kanabar. And when you open the app, on the top left, there are these 3-line buttons. All right. So when you click them, one menu will open. You have to click on free study material section. All right. There are documents, and in the documents, we have created clear folders. All right. So it will be CA final test series, May 24, and CA inter test series, May 24 for audit subject. Okay. So you can access the papers from there. That is one thing. Papers will be uploaded 24 hours before the test time. Papers will be uploaded 24 hours before the test time. I hope that you are going to remain honest, okay? Because this is for your benefit only. Okay. Now, how to evaluate the papers? Pan India level, don't worry. What we are doing is we are going to upload suggested answers with marking scheme. That if you write this, you get your 1 mark. If you write this, you get your 1 mark. If you write this, you get your 0.5 marks, something like that, along with alternative answers and everything. That is how we are going to upload it. But for the students who have enrolled audit subject with me, all right, uh, as you know that regularly I conduct Zoom doubt solving sessions, whether it is daytime, nighttime. My WhatsApp doubt solving number has this DP, and on that DP I upload the Zoom doubt solving sessions, IDs, details and stuff. So the TA in-house students who still have the validity with them, basically the active TA in-house students, can join the Zoom doubt solving sessions, and they can discuss the doubts personally with me, and they can discuss the papers personally with me, all right, during that particular session. Obviously, I'm able to accommodate 10-15 people in that session. So if it is houseful, then you may have to join for the next session. That is how it will be done. But everyone, please stay connected on YouTube channel, the Audit Academy. This is a very big exercise that we are going to take. So obviously, all our resources are going to get into this. So at least I expect you to, like, subscribe, share this particular video, and also stay connected with our YouTube channel for further updates. This time for May 24, I'm going to ensure that maximum of you, although I will pray that all of you, but I'm going to ensure that maximum of you clear this particular exams. All right. All the very, very best. So this is a very short cut to cut video. I hope that you're going to spread it everywhere, and you're going to help us in this noble cause. Thank you so much. All the very best.